Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this Christmas tree that they're drawing, and it is the season, and they want to put them together like in an X so they'll stand up, and she's going to use 1/8 inch plywood, and 1/8 inch plywood is 0.125, so to go safely you could go 0.13, because it doesn't have to be that tight a fit because it's going to kind of sit on itself. So what I would do is put that one in the center of the page, hit P and put that one in the center of the page, and it's selected. Hold down your shift key and select the tree, and then hit T as in Tom. Let's get that out of the way for a second. Bring in our Christmas tree and hit P. Grab our 9-inch, our tree is 18 inches tall. So I drew a 9-inch by 0.13 line. Hit P and put it in the center of the page. It is selected. So select your tree and now hit B as in bottom. And then all you have to do is go down in right here to your virtual segment delete key, zoom in, and cut that line out. I don't know why that node's there, but it's not really there. And you could test this out with a Smart Fill tool, and it did work. And then all you have to do is do the top. And this might be a little bit trickier because we're going to have to delete some of that. So I'm going to have to say you're going to have to delete that. So the tree is going to be a little bit shorter on one side. Let's see what size it is now. See, it's about 0.2 of an inch shorter, which would be fine because you're going to have a little bit of strength there. And you could, now that you've got this together, you could take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, move it out of the way, left click, right click to be that hairline, and you could make sure this is unlocked, and you could make it 18 inches. Now let's select both these and hit B as in boy, put them at the bottom. And I would like to do a test here. Take an indexing line and bring it down to the top of that. And we're a little bit short on the bottom section. That's because we've maybe stretched it. That could be very easily fixed because you'd want to do that if you were doing a lot of these. Just select both your nodes, holding down your control button, and bring it down to that line. Now they should match perfectly. So we're done. I'm pretty sure I didn't Smart Fill this one. You need to Smart Fill it. That's going to put all the gaps in together. It's basically welding it. Having trouble with my pick tool. Get it out of the way, go ahead and delete this one, and then select that one and left click, right click. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.